Itemi na endi mũbira wa magũrũ bũrũri-inĩ marenda watho wa mathako ũrĩa wathondekirwo mwaka wa 2013 wambĩrĩrie kũrutithio wĩra nĩguo mũbira wa magũrũ ũkorwo na kĩguni kũrĩ athaki bũrũri-inĩ. Abithaa mũnene wa kambuni ya Extreme Sports Hussein Mohamed niwe wĩkĩtie rĩtana rĩrĩ hĩndĩ ya final ya mbĩtĩka cia Owini Memorial Cup mwena wa Masoge sub-county ya Uriri. Mohamed no rotete ũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa mũbira bũrũri-inĩ akiuga ni ugondereire.
Of course, we have a gap in leadership in terms of grassroots development of whatever sport. But with time, and this is why the Sports Act was brought in 2013, so that we can help streamline federations, so that we can help make advancements in sports development. But if we don't follow the rules, if we don't follow the law, then we will not achieve much. And it's important that we appreciate that our country's laws are superior to any other statutes. So this is imperative. We cannot operate outside the law because you're in sports.